Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, what that candle here doing, guys, that one here, exactly what it's showing to us. I tell it to you in the last video. I told you Saturday and Sunday there is no volume. And I told you the market is going to stay here. And here we got something very important here, guys. Zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, guys, here what we got here in that place, we got that red candle here and that two here. That one is an inside bar, guys. Even if you came here to the green one here, the next candle is inside bar, that one, as you see it. And even that one which is going now, is it inside bar of that one, guys. So now we need a candle to come to break either up or either down. And me personally, I'm thinking it needs to break that one, that candle of that FTX madness, that one, to break it either up or to break down. It needs a candle to come to break either here or to come to break either down here. It's meant to break here, to open here, and to close here down. Or in the top to open here and to close here in the top. That when also we're going to make a decision, either the market is going to go higher or is going to fall down more, guys. For long term, us we buy and we're still waiting, guys. As I told you, us we buy the first buy of us, is it from here? Second time we buy here, and the third one we got it at 12k, guys. If the market fall down, fair enough, we will buy. We just came here to that level here, we are in profit, guys. If from here it went up only here, that place here will be in profit, guys. That's how professional people they trade, guys. Not like how majority of people they just line at the people. Everything is too clear, guys, here. By the way, yes you, my friend, are you not yet subscribed on our channel? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in for you 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now, guys. It's not something hard. Just a red button down next to it, a bell, turn it also like that. When we put in a new video, going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what they're saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, as you see it, we touch here, that level here. Now it go back here to that level here. Till now it doesn't show into us. It's going to go back down to break down. Or from here is going to go higher, guys. So till now us we stay in a position where we need to wait what is coming, guys, because those days if you go now to Twitter, you're going to find all the exchanges they have people they asking them to show them the proof, like because investors they don't want what happened to FTX to happen again. They put it for Cocoin, for Binance, for Coinbase, all of them. People they asking them to show them the proof, the assets of them, they stay there. And I think everyone has got the right to do that, because you can't put your money in a exchange you are not sure if your money is there or not. And that's what happened, because the FTX is changing that world how it used to be, and some of them they're asking for regulation, and also we don't want that regulation, because that regulation is gone. Why us we go into the crypto or Bitcoin? Why? Because we get fed up of the regime. They're rolling us and they're manipulating the prices, guys. Also, we getting fed up of that. We get fed up of the Fed. They printing money like hell. Then at the end of the day, they came, they closing at us and they doing madness of them. They started increasing interest rate. We get fed up of that. That's why us, we want to stop that manipulation of the capitalism. Let's make it like that. That's why us, we go into the crypto. We don't want no one. It's our money. Us, we working in it and we save it. Then a bank he came, he doesn't want to give me my money. If I want to transfer it to another country, they don't want. If I want to go to open a project like let's say in Africa, they don't allow me to do that. If I want to go to America, they don't allow me to do that. A lot of problems which happening with real cash. That's why us we move into the crypto, guys. Everything is too clear. So that regulation them they want, leave it with them. We don't want it. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there. For the picture to be more clear to you guys and to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, guys, I tell it to you if you remember. In the last video, I told you here in that place, by the way, that candle here, market is going to reverse upward. And that's what it's showing there. If you zoom it like that, and we see in here, what you see in here, all those candles, they got tails from down, guys, as you see them. All of them, they're pushing up. But the volume, there is no big volume here. Market is very dry. And that's normal, because today is Saturday and Sunday, you know it. There is no volume here, as you see it. There is no one of those candles it's breaking up. But as I teach you guys, if you remember, every time he came a dry volume like that, there is a big move coming, guys. Either up or either down. That's what we used to say here in that place, if you remember it. Remember? Look here. That's Saturday and Sunday. After it, look what happened. Same thing here now. Saturday and Sunday. After it, a big move is going to come. Either up or either down. No one knows exactly where the market is going to go, guys. Anyone he tell you something, it's just lying. He doesn't know nothing. Plus, we just use technical analysis to analyze this, guys. Here, I show you something here. I told you yesterday. We got here like a small flag here or a channel. If is it a flag, that was something very bad. Because a flag is a bearish signal, not a bullish signal. That's when the price is going to move down more. But let's wait in the market to give us here a price action, to give us here a double bottom or a wedge or anything, or a triangle or something like that. Then we are going to wait in the break. Till that time, there is nothing yet, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our indicators, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, when we touch here the oversold area, we came out here to that level here. And I tell it to you yesterday in the last video. I told you there is no big volume to push either up or to push down. And the market here, it's still flat. There is no moving, guys. As you see it, even here, you see here in that place what the market is showing to you here. Exactly, guys. Look at it. What it's showing to us, the market, it's flat here. So now after that one, either another drop or going up from here, guys, from that level where we are, we will go higher. Everything is too clear, guys. You get the picture? Now let's go into see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, we touch here the oversold area level. We are in a very stronger level. And if you remember what me I told you, that one here is a falling knife. And the nature what it's telling to you is too hard to catch a falling knife. It's need to bounce in the floor like how it's doing now. It's need to bounce for us to catch it, guys. Yes or no? And that's what it's showing here. It's showing that power will be pushing down. It started getting lower and lower and lower till it's going to be flat. That when we see if the market is going to go higher or to go down, guys. And here we need to wait in a price action indicating for us the market is going to reverse, guys. Till now there is nothing confirmed. And that level here, where we are here, that one being broken here, it needs to be broke again upward, guys. If it doesn't, there is no entry yet. Remember that. That level here, that one, and that one, it needs to be broken upward for us to think of to enter. If it doesn't, there is no entry yet, guys. I'm talking here about swing trading, guys, not long-term investors. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So, what else we said? We got here. Our indicator is at the oversold level. We are in a very stronger level. And I'll show you all those things in daily and everywhere. Price action is not yet, guys. So there is no entry here for swing trading, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there. If there is any scalping opportunity, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. In 30 minutes, I showed you yesterday, we got here a double bottom and I told you to enter short in it till here. Yes or no? And I told you, look, the market, what it giving you here in that place, it give you here a head and shoulder. And I told you the neckline is that one. It doesn't break it, guys. And now what it giving you here, look at it. I show you that channel in the last video yesterday, that one. I told you if it's getting broke, you enter long. It broke up, yes, guys. Here in that place where we are, it's being broken upward, guys. So now what should you do? If you are a scalper, you need to enter long till here, maybe till that peak here, guys. That one. Why? Let me show you our indicators what the same for picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, being here at the oversold area, and I'll show you that divergence you got here. I'll show you all those things. Now it started coming out from the oversold area, and the price action, it's being broken here, as you see it. Also, we got here that channel, that one here. Also, we draw it yesterday together, and I told you it need to be broken to enter long. It's breaking upward here, so now you need to be long, guys. If you are a scalper, you need to put stop loss and to try always to protect yourself, guys. Take profit, it's not yet, but you need to make a close eye when it's going to touch the 200 moving average here, either to protect yourself, to take some of the profit. Everything is too clear. By the way, did you helping us, guys? Smash the like button, my friend. Go ahead and do it, please. Helping us. You know that channel without you it can growing up. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle finish it. Bye for now, guys.